Hey, hi, this is Manjunath Chandraya. Today we'll be learning how to create a aging bucket for the invoices which have been open or pending. So I have a small data here, serial number, invoice number, vendor, date, and the amount. These are the invoices which have been open, which has not yet been paid. We need to find the aging days for this aging bucket and the aging days for the invoices. Let's start. So first thing is we need to find the aging days. So aging days to find. So reconciling date, I am taking it as February 29, 2024. So we reconciling based as of February close. So this being 20 leap year, so we're using it as 29 year. Let's find the aging days now. To find the aging days, so reconciling date is the February 29. So I'm selecting that date and I'm going to freeze this because this will be the constant. So we are going to minus this from this invoice date. Now you'll be able to find that how many days has passed from December 3rd to February close. It's 88 days. So we found the aging days. Now we'll find the aging bucket. Aging bucket. To create the aging bucket, we need to know what is our like a grouping, like how we want to break that aging, 30 days or 60 days, 90 days. How we want to group it. So let's say on group this aging by 30 days. So each every 30 days it should jump into other buckets. Say 0 to 30, 30 to 60, like that. Let's start. For that, we will be using a function called as floor. FLOR, floor, open bracket, and it asks the number. So first number will be the aging days. Select this, and significance is like we want to break it by 30 days. So I'm selecting this significance. So we need to freeze this because this is a constant. For that, you can use F4 function, close bracket, add and double quote hyphen double quote and. So we adding this to bifurcate between the aging days like 0 to 30, 0 hyphen 30. So for that we adding this again. Start with the flow function. So this is for the first part. The end close we should be having the 0 to 30 days, right? We'll use the same function, aging days and the significance, that is 30 days breakup. So freeze it again, this I1, close the bracket. So we need to break it by 30 days. So plus I'm going to select the same I1. We are breaking by 30 days. So again, you do F4 function, hit enter. So now you can see the data is falling. Say 88 days means falling at a 60 to 90 days bucket. So anything less than 30 days, it is falling at a 0 to 30. So let's say I put it as 29, it will be 0 to 30. If we change it to 31 or 30, so 30 to 60. So 30 also it falls under 30 to 60 days. If you jump into 120 days, obviously it takes the 120 to 150 days. So we are breaking it by 30 days. Or you want no, I want to change it to 60 days, just change it here 60 days. Obviously it jumps to 60 days bucket. So I hope this function was helpful. Please let me know any other function that I need to create a video. I'll try to do, and I hope this session was helpful. Thank you again. Happy learning.